अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमा कोमलहस्ताब्ज संभावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. लोकवीरं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदप्पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं पूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रचङ्गकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितो मत्सकृते कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं चक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പീരേന്താത്തോരു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ Krishna Hare Jaya Krishna Hare. Okay, everybody, welcome back to the class. Sorry we had to miss last class in between. So inniki the agenda, what we'll do is we'll go through a quick rehearsal of two people doing chapter Dasakam 26, and then we'll have two of them doing volunteering for chapter Dasakam 27. right? So Sujata, Varlai. So Shobha, can you and Priya, can you both do chapter 26?
Yeah.
And then Lalita, Neengalum, Pinna Sujata, Pamela Vandanaka, Sujata, 27 Panungo. Okay. All right. So Shobha, Ninga first Porela.
Adjust tune matto konjam aarambichirukom.
Okay. Ninga unga shruti adjust panikungo compared to my pitch.
Yeah, no, just the tune.
Yeah. Indradyumna Pandya Kandhadirajah Twadbhaktatma Chandanadrau Kadachite.
Okay. Indraधुम्न पाण्ड्य खण्डाधिराजः त्वद्भक्तात्मा चन्दनाद्रौ कदाचित् त्वत्सेवायं मग्नधीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमातिथ्यकामम् कुम्भोद्भूति संभृत क्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्तिभूयं भजेति शप्त्वाथैनं प्रत्यगात् सोऽपि लेभे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं त्वत्स्मृतिव्यक्तिधन्यम् दुग्धाम्भोधेर्मध्यभाजी त्रिकूटे क्रीडन् शैले यूथपोऽयं वशाभिः सर्वान् जन्तून् अत्यवर्थिष्ठशक्त्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः स्वेन स्थेम्ना दिव्यदेशस्य शक्त्या
देशत्वशक्त्या दिव्यदेशत्वशक्त्या
देशस्य अल्ल्या
देशत्व
oh deshatva okay I don't know why, maybe I did not correct it last time. Svena sthemna divya deshatva shaktya soyam khedana aprajanan kadachit shaila prante dharmatanta sarasyam yuthai sardham त्वत्प्रणुन्नो भीरे में.
So one second, dharma la garma tanta ga, because ga, not the garma tanta, because it's heat, referring to heat, garmi.
Oh, garma, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah. I think I missed it. Yeah. Shaila prante gharmatanta sarasyam yuthai sardham tvatpranunno bhire me. हुहुस्तावद् देवलस्यापि शापात् ग्राहीभूतस्तज्जले वर्तमानः जग्राहैनं हस्तिनं पाददेशे शान्त्यर्थं हि श्रान्तिदोषि स्वकानां त्वत्सेवाया वैभवाद्युर्निरोधं युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यः सिद्धयै
काग्र्य सिद्ध्यै सिद्धयैला सिद्ध அந்த சித்துவோட த அடியில லைன் போட்டுருப்பா சோ சித்தியை
ஓகே प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्य सिद्ध्यै नक्राक्रान्तं हस्तिवर्यं व्यधास्त्वम् आर्तिव्यक्त प्राक्तन ज्ञान भक्तिः शुण्डोक्षिप्तै पुण्डरीकै समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीत परात्मन् श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्थं ब्रह्मेशाध्यै नाहम् इत्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् ताक्ष्यारूढ प्रेक्षितो भूपुरस्तात् हस्तीन्द्रं तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ति त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म एतद्वृत्तं त्वां च मां च प्रगेयो गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्णयं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश.
And the gatastvam and dishnyam, I'm going to plus put last time. The gatastvam and dishnyam, and then you pause. So ityuktainam tena sardham gatastvam dishnyam Vishnu pahi vatalayesha.
Rajesh, and the previous line, I was having trouble connecting all the small words. How does it go?
Etat vrittam tvam, you, cha, and mam, me, cha prageyo, like one who does to praise, right? So etat vrittam tvam cha mam cha prageyo. So tvam cha and mam cha, you can join those two.
Okay.
You're very good. All right, so Priya.
Yeah. पाण्ड्यकण्ठाधिराजः त्वत्भक्तात्मा चन्दनाद्रौ कदाचित् त्वत्सेवायां मग्नधीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमादित्यकामम् कुम्भोद्भूति संहृतक्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्तिभूयं भजेति शप्त्वाथैनं प्रत्यगात् सोऽपि लेभे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं त्वत्स्मृतिर्व्यक्तिधन्यम् दुग्धाम्भोधेर्मध्यभाजि त्रिगूणे क्रीडन् शैले यूथपोऽयं वशाभिः सर्वाञ्जन्तून्यत्यवर्तिष्ठशत्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः स्वेन स्थेम्ना दिव्यदेशत्वशक्त्या सोऽयं खेदानः प्रजानन् कदाचित् शैलप्रान्ते घर्मतान्दः सरस्यां यूथैः सार्धं त्वत्प्रणुन्नोभिरेमे हुहुस्तावद्देवलस्यापि शापाद ग्राहीभूतस्तज्जले वर्तमानः जग्राहैनं हस्तिनं पाददेशे शान्त्यर्थं हि श्रान्तिदोषि स्वकानाम् त्वत्सेवाया वैभवा दुर्निरोधं युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्यै नक्राक्रान्तं हस्तिवर्यं व्यधास्त्वम् आर्तिव्यक्तप्राक्तन ज्ञानभक्तिः शुण्डोक्षिप्तै पुण्डरीकै समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रश्रेष्ठं शून्यगादीत् परात्मन्.
Yes, sorry, one correction. Stotram shreshtam sonvagad. Put a im next to the stotram. Stotra.
Stotram shreshtam, like that.
Stotram, im, yeah.
Rajesh, sorry Priya, on the Samarchan Purvabhyastam சேர்த்து படிக்கணும் இல்லையா? புண்டரிகை.
Samarchan is the end of the second line.
ஆமா.
For Sanskrit they broken it into 4 lines. So Pundarikai Samarchan is the end of the second line. Then Purvabhyastam Nirvisheshatmanishtam is the third line.
Oh, I thought நீங்க last time Samarchan பக்கத்துல plus போட்டுக்க சொன்னீங்க, நான் போட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன். Maybe I was wrong.
இல்ல. Oh. You can remove that off, yeah.
Okay.
आर्तिव्यक्त प्राक्तन ज्ञानभक्तिः शुण्डोक्षिप्तै पुण्डरीकै समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोऽन्वगादीत् परात्मन् श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशाद्ये नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरिकारुण्यवेगात् तार्ष्यारूढ प्रेक्षितो पुरस्ताद् हस्तीन्द्रं तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ति त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्यते दीप्यते स्म एतद्वृत्तं त्वां च मां च प्रगेयो गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्ण्यं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश.
Very good. All right. So with that, we'll go to Dasakam 27 today. So Lalita, ninga first pongo, and then Sujata, I think you're back now. So you can be the second volunteer today to go after Lalita.
Okay.
So idu vandu Dasakam 27 is Amrita Madane and Kurmavatara Varnana. So Kurmavataram as well as the churning of the Milky Ocean for Amritam. Right? And this is the Bhagavata Skandam 8, Dasakam 5 Dasakam 5 to 12 is the Kurmavataram. So the Bhagavata, this comes in this sequence. That's why Narayana, this Kurmavataram is coming after Narsimhavataram and all that, because that's how it is in Bhagavatam. I don't know why, but that's how it is. Okay, so we'll do the meaning and the chanting today. So first stanza. Durvasa Suravanitapta Divyamalyam Shakraya Swayamupadhaya Tatra Bhuyaha Nagendra Pratimridite Shashapa Shakram Kakshantis Tvaditara Devatam Shajanam. So it starts with sage Durvasa, right? So Durvasa, there was a quarrel between Brahma and Shiva. And because of that, everybody, they were fighting and all the devas had fled and everything. So on the Shiva Kovata Patha, Parvati was trying to console him and say that you should reduce your anger and to tamper his anger. So our Kovatla on the discomfort and everything that it caused, what Shiva did was he took his anger and deposited it It went to the Atri or wife Anusuya womb, it went and got deposited. And that's how Durvasa was born. So Durvasa, that's why he's supposed to have a lot of anger. The Durvasa meaning is someone who's very difficult to live with. That's the meaning of the word Durvasa. Someone who's very difficult to live with. And it's because of his anger, and that's because he's considered to be a part of Lord Shiva. So once what happened was Durvasa, Swayam Upadaya, he personally gave Divya Malyam, a divine necklace, which he had obtained from Suravanitapta, from which he had obtained from a divine damsel, from a celestial damsel. He got a divine necklace. He gave that to Shakra. Shakra here is referring to Indra. So he personally went and handed Indra a divine necklace which Durvasa had got. But Pratam Rudite by Nagendra. So Indra's elephant, right, which was Airavata, what it did was it went and stepped on that necklace, and that necklace broke. So because of that, Durvasa got angry, and then Shashapa Shakram. So to Shakra, he gave a shapam, right? He cursed Indra, right? So saying that you're going to lose all your powers, and because you didn't take care of an elephant. So that was the first part. And then in the last line, Bhattacharya part says, Ka Kshanti. He says, where is the patience, right? Tvat idara. So other than you, right? Other than you, where is the patience? For Devatam Shajana is Devata Amsha Jananam. So people who are born from the body or the parts of Devatas, right? And the person who's born from the body of the part of a Devata here is referring to Durvasa because he was born from the body of Shiva, right? So Bhattacharya Part says, hey, where is the patience for people other than you? So this is the stage so far. So Durvasa gives a necklace to Indra, and Indra's elephant goes and tramples it. Durvasa gets angry and he curses Indra to lose his power. So in the first line, Durvasa's Sura Vanithapta Divya Malyam. So continues up. So Durvasa Sura Vanithapta Divya Malyam Shakraya Swayam Upadhaya Tatra Bhuyaha. Durvasa Suravanithapta Divya Malyam Shakraya Swayamupadhaya Tatra Bhuyaha.
Durvasa Suravanithapta Divya Malyam Shakraya Swayamupadhaya Tatra Bhuyaha. Durvasa Suravanithapta Divya Malyam Shakraya Swayamupadhaya Tatra Bhuyaha.
Durvasa Suravanithapta Divya Malyam Shakraya Swayam Upadhaya Tatra Bhuyaha. Durvasa Suravanithapta Divya Malyam Shakraya Swayam Upadhaya Tatra Bhuyaha.
Nagendra Prati Mridite Shashapa Shakram Ka Kshantis Twadithara devatam shajana. So Nagendra prati mridite shashapa shakram ka kshantis twadithara devatam shajana. Nagendra pratimridite shashapa shakram kakshantis twaditara devatam shajana.
Nagendra pratimritite shashaba shakram kakshantih tvatidara devatam shajanam. Nagendra pratimritite shashaba shakram kakshantih tvatidara devatam shajanam.
Nagendra mritite shashapa chakram kakshanti twaditara devatam sajanam. Nagendra pratimridite shashapa chakram kakshanti twaditara devatam sajanam.
Second stanza. Shapena praditajareta nirjarendre deveshvapyasurajiteshu nishprabheshu sharvadya kamalajamhetya sarvadeva nirvana prabhavasamam bhavantamapuhu. So Indra is Nirjarendre. Nirjarendre is referring to Indra who is Nirjara. Nirjara is somebody who doesn't age, somebody who's ageless, who's always youthful, right? So that is Nirjarendre, referring to Indra. So Shapena, because of the curse that he got from Durvasa, Pradita Jare. So Nirjara is no age, right? Is always ageless. So Pradita Jare is becoming old, getting a lot of age, right? So he becomes old. Indra, who's normally ageless, who's always youthful, now becomes old because of the curse given by Durvasa. So Deveshapi Asura Jiteshu. So the Deveshu, the Devas, Asura Jiteshu, the Asuras, because now Indra became weak, the Devas are now defeated by the Asuras, right? That's what happens. The Asuras come and then they defeat the Devas because of this. So Nish Prabeshu. So Prabhas is like the glory and all the strength and the might and everything, right? So Nish Prabeshu means they now lost all their strength and they've lost all their glory and they become weak. So Sharvadya Sarvadeva. Sharva is referring to Lord Shiva. So Sharva, Adhya, so beginning with Lord Shiva, Sarvadeva, so all the lords, right? So all the gods beginning with Lord Shiva. Kamalajam Etya. Kamalajam is referring to Lord Brahma. So they approach Lord Brahma saying, because all the gods now are worried about this. And along with Kamalajam Etya Samam, along with Lord Brahma, Bhavantam Apuhu, approach you, O Lord. Nirvana Prabhava. So the person who Nirvana Kudukara Lord, O Lord, who gives liberation to everybody, because Indra got aged, he lost all his strength, and the Asuras now ended up defeating all the Devas, and the Devas lost all their glories. So beginning with Lord Shiva and all the gods, along with the Devas, approach you to help, for help, right? That's what happens here. So second stanza, Shapena Pradita Jaretha Nirjarendre. Pradita Jaretha Nirjarendre. Deveshvapya Deveshu api. So Deveshvapya Surajiteshu Nishprabeshu. Deveshvapya Surajiteshu Nishprabeshu. Shapena Pradita Jareta Nirjarendre. Deveshvapya Surajiteshu Nishprabeshu.
Shapena pratitajareta nirjarendre deveshvapya surajiteshu nishprabeshu. Shapena pratitajareta nirjarendre deveshvapya surajiteshu nishprabeshu.
Shapena pratitajareta nirjarendre deveshvapya surajiteshu nishprabeshu. Shapena pratitajareta nirjarendre deveshvapya surajiteshu nishprabeshu.
Right. Sharvadhyaha, and then Kamala Jametya. So you can put a ik in between when you're saying it together. So Sharvadhya, Kamala Jametya, Sarvadeva, Nirvana Prabhavasamam, Nirvana Prabhavasamam, Bhavantam Apuhu. Sarvadhya Kamala Jametya Sarvadeva, Nirvana Prabhavasamam Bhavantamapuhu.
Sharvatya Kamala Jametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhavashamam Bhavantamapuhu. Sharvadya Kamala Jametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhavasamam Bhavantamapuhu.
Sharvadhya Kamala Jametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantumapuhu. Sarvadhya Kamala Jametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samam Bhavantumapuhu. Bhavantam Apuhu.
Stanza 3.
Rajesh, one question in the third sentence la ha illiya and sarva deva ha illiya.
Chela books la sarva deva han potrukku, chela books la sarva devan potrukku. Okay, so the meaning la pathina sarva deva also makes sense. I don't know, in a lot of books they have not put that visarga at the end. So Suja, unnoda book
in enga books la
Suja, un book la enna potrukku?
La podala idula podala deva da irukku. Ha illa.
என்னோட புக்லயும் தேவான் தான் இருக்கு.
உமாவும் நானும் ஒரே புக் வச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ராஜேஷ். அந்த புக்ல ஹா போட்டிருக்கு,
தேவாஹா போட்டிருக்கு. எல்லாம் இந்த ரெண்டு புக் இருக்கு, ரெண்டுலயும் தேவாஹா போட்டிருக்கு. அதனால ஓகே
ரிமூவ் பண்ண. என்னோட ரெண்டு புக்லயும் இல்ல. I have two different books and both don't have it. But individual meaning la paathanaka devaha makes sense too. It's devaha, all the devas. But the books la they have not put it. So okay.
So in the book, இந்த புக் வந்து 1970ல வாங்கினது, குருவாயூர்லயே வாங்கினது. அதனால இதுதான் அத்தென்டிக்.
உமான் லட்சுமி எடுத்துருக்கோம் அந்த விசர்காவை. ஓகே, ஸ்டான்சா 3. பிரம்மாத்யை ஸ்துத மஹிமா சிரம் ததானீம் பிராதுஷ்யன் வரத புரః பரேண தாம்னா ஹே தேவாதிதி சகுலைர் விதாய சந்திம் Piyusham parimatateti paryashastvam. So now all this, so along with Brahma, all the God, they are approaching Lord Vishnu. So Brahma Adyahi. So beginning with Brahma and all the gods. Stuta Mahima Chiram. So Chiram, for a long time, right? They're singing about the glory of the Lord when they go to meet him. Stuta Mahima, about the Mahima of his Stuti, the singing Stuti. Tadanim, then Pura Pradashan. So now when they sing this glory for a really long time, then Lord Vishnu now appears in front of them. Parena Damna, with supreme glory. So Puraha Pradushan. So he comes in front of them with all his glory. And then what Vishnu says is, Iti Paryashatvam. Vishnu then commands them or instructs them, right, in such a manner. He says, Hey Deva, he says, oh gods, right, oh Devas, Sandhim Vidaya, go make peace, right? Vidaya Sandhim, go make peace with Ditija Kulaihi. So with the clan of the Asuras. So hey Devas, go make peace with the clan of the Asuras or the demons. For what? For Parimata Piyusham, right? So that way you can now go work together in churning out the nectar for immortality. So you have now become weak, you can't fight the Asuras. So he's saying you go make peace with the Asuras and tell them that we are all going to work together and we're going to churn the milky ocean to get the nectar, right? That way you can go peace because you will need the help of the Asuras to get this thing done. So that's what the Lord then comes in front of everybody and tells them. So stanza 3, Brahmadhyais Stuta Mahima Chiram Tadanim, Pradushan Bharada Pura Parena Dhamna. second line. So no change to that. Brahmadhyai stuta mahima chiram tadhanim pradushan varada purah parena dhamna.
ब्रह्माद्यैस्तुत महिमा चिरं ददानीं प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः परेण ताम्ना ब्रह्माद्यैस्तुत महिमा चिरं ददानीं प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः परेण ताम्ना दाम्ना
ब्रह्माद्यैस्तुतमहिमा चिरं तदानीं प्रातुष्यन् वरदपुरपरेण धाम्ना ब्रह्माद्यैस्तुतमहिमा चिरं तदानीं प्रातुष्यन् वरदपुरपरेण धाम्ना.
Third line. He deva diti jakulair vidhaya sandhim diti jakulair vidhaya sandhim piyusham harimatheti paryashastvam. He deva diti jakulair vidhaya sandhim piyusham parimatheti paryashastvam.
हे देवा तिदिजकुलैर्विदाय सन्धिं पीयूषं परिमततेति पर्यशास्त्वं. हे देवा हे देवा दितिजकुलैर् कुलैर् हे देवा तिदिजकुलैर्विदाय सन्धिं पीयूषं परिमततेति पर्यशास्त्वं. தான் தா டுகெதர் வருது.
ஆமா
தமிழ்ல படிக்கும்போது ஹார்ட். ஆமா
நான் 3-4 எழுதிட்டு இருக்கேன், இருந்தாலும் அத கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணும்போது
இந்த திதிஜ is together. திதிஜ குலைஹி. So the clan of the asuras, right? So the குலைஹி அது வந்து குலைர்னு அது போட்டுருக்காங்க.
குலைர் விதாய சந்திம். ஓகே.
हे देवा दितिजकुलैर्विधाय सन्धिं पीयूषं परिमततेति पर्यशास्त्वं. हे देवा दितिजकुलैर्विधाय सन्धिं पीयूषं परिमततेति पर्यशास्त्वं.
Stanza 4. Sandanam kritavati dhanavai surauge manthanam nayati madhena mandaradhrim prashtesmin bhadarami bodvahan khagendre sadyastvam vinihitavan payah payodhau. So now Vishnu instructs the devas to go and do it, to go and work with the asuras. So Surauge refers to the devas. Asuras are the asuras. Suraus are the devas. So Surauge, so Sandhanam Kritavati. So having made peace, right? They go meet with the asuras, make peace with the Danavaihi, with the asuras. They made peace. And then with Madena, with pride, right? Madam Padichayana because of the pride. So with Madena, with pride, they were bringing what? Mandara Adrim. Adri refers to the mountain. And so Mandara Adrim is the mountain Mandara. So now with pride, the devas were actually bringing the Mandara mountain as Mantanam, as a churning rod, as a rod to churn the ocean. They were bringing the Mantana mountain. So Asmin Brashte. So when they were bringing it with pride, that mountain fell down, right? The mountain fell down. So Sadhyaha Tvam. So you immediately, Sadhyaha, immediately you, Khagendre. Khag refers to the word, Khag refers to birds. So Khag Endre is refers to the Indra of birds. It's the king of birds. The king of birds is Garuda here. So Khagendre refers to Garuda. So she says, Bhattadipa says, Sadhyahatvam, you immediately on Khagendre, on Garuda, right? What did you do? Udvahan, you carried it as if Badaram Iva, as if it was like a small piece of a seed or a small piece of a berry, right? Badaram refers to berry. So as if it was such a small piece, you assumed a big form, and then you lifted this entire Mandara mountain and Payodau. You went and put it into the Milky Ocean. So the Devas were bringing it, they were bringing with pride. The mountain fell. So the Lord comes in the form of Garuda, lifts the entire mountain, and then puts it into the Milky Ocean. So Santanam Kritavati Dhanavaihi. So you can put a is because the next word is a sa. So Dhanavai Surauge Manthanam Nayati Madhena Manda Radrim. Santanam Kritavati Dhanavai Surauge Manthanam Nayati Madhena Mandaradrim.
Sorry, Rajesh. Is it Santanam or Sandhanam?
Sandhanam, my bad. Sandhanam.
Dhava.
Da. Sandhanam.
Apro Suro adanadu Suro Deva.
Suro Gai. Suro Ge. Ga.
Oh, dha potrukkinga.
Ga. First is Sandhanam.
Okay.
Sandhanam Kritavati Dhanavai Surauge Manthanam Nayati Madhena Mandaradrim.
Santanam Kritavati Dhanavai Surauge.
Lakshmi, da. Sorry. Lalita, da.
Sandanam. Sandanam Kritavati Dhanavai Surauge Manthanam Nayati Madhena Mandaradrim. Sandanam Kritavati Dhanavai Surauge Manthanam Nayati Madhena Mandaradrim.
Sandhanam Kritavati Dhanavai Surauge Manthanam Nayati Madhena
Radrim.
Okay. Sandhanam Kritavati Dhanavai Surauge Manthanam Nayati Madhena Mandaradrim.
Right. Next line. Brashtesmin Bhadaram Ibod Vahan. Bhadaram Ibod Vahan. Bhadaram Ibod Vahan Khagendre Sadhyastvam Dya. Okay, Sadhyastvam Vinihitavan Phayaf Payodhav. Brashtesmin Bhadarami Bodvahan Khagendre Sadhyastvam Vinihitavan Payaf Payodhav.
Sorry. Prashtesmin Badaram Ivotvahan Khagendre Satyastvam Vinihitavan Payodhav. Payah Payodhav. Brashtesmin Badaram Ivotvahan Khagendre Satyastvam Vinihitavan Payodhav.
Brashtesmin Badarami Vahan Khagendre Satyastvam Vinihitavan Payah Payodhav. Brashtesmin Payah Payodhav. Brashtesmin Badarami Vahan Khagendre Satyastvam Vinihitavan Payah Payodhav.
Stanza 5. Adaya Drutamatava Sukhim Varatram Patodhau Vinihita Sarva Bhijajale Prarabde Matana Bidhau Sura Suraistaihi Vyajatvam Bujagamuke Karo Surarin. Now they've gone and placed the Mandara mountain in the ocean, in the milk ocean. So Drutam, so immediately after that, once they immediately placed it, right, what they do is Vasukim. Now how are they going to churn it, right? So they went and got Vasukim. Vasukim is the snake Vasuki, which is in the neck of Lord Shiva, right? That's a Vasuki snake. So they go and Adaya, and after they place the mountain in the Milky Ocean, they get Vasukim as Varatram, as to churn the mountain here. So by whom? So Taihi, Sura, Asuraihi, both the Suras and the Asuras, right, together. So Sura, Taihi, Asura, Asuraihi, all of them together. Prarabde, Madana Vidau, Prarabde, they start the churning of the ocean there. So Padodau, remember the last stanza also Padodau came, that's a Milky Ocean. So they start churning it in that Padodau, in that Milky Ocean. In that, Vinihita Sarva Bija Jale, so in which they had put all the seeds and the herbs and everything that has been put to generate the nectar. So in that, everything has been put there, it is ready for churning. At that time, Vyajat Tvam, you, Vyajat, in a very cunning way or in a very smart way, what you do is, Bhujaga is the snake, right, the Vasuki, Bhujaga snake. Bhujaga Mukhe, the face of the snake, right? So Akaroho, you put the face of the snake, Surarin, to the Asuras, right? The Asurarin, you put it to the face of the Asuras, right? So when this thing starts and the mountain is there and then they start churning, they bring the Vasuki snake and then the Asuras and the Devas start working together to churn the ocean. So he says, oh Lord, you cunningly put the Asuras in the face of the snake. So the background story in Anaka, originally, the Lord gives the face of the snake to the Devas, right? Because he knows that the Asuras are going to come fight. And the Asuras felt insulted that they, being stronger than the Devas, were given the tail of the snake. So first, that's how it was given. Then the Asuras fought, and then they said, no, they wanted the better part of the snake. So the Lord gave the head of the snake, because only he knew that later on, those poisonous flames are going to start coming from the mouth of the snake. Right? So that's how it got shifted. And that's why this here Bhatripat says is Vyajat Tvam. So he said, you in a very smart or a cunning way, right? You gave the head. That's because it was given the other way before and then it got swapped. So this stanza 5, right? Yeah. So Adhaya Drutamatha Vasukim Bharatram. So it's Vasukim, not Vasukim. So you be careful, don't read it as Vasukim, it is Vasukim. So Adhaya Drutam Atha Vasukim Bharatram Patodhau Vinihita Sarva Bija Jale. So Patodhau Vinihita Sarva Bija Jale. So in the Sanskrit, anytime like in the Mari Vasukim or something comes which is a short key, the best way to do it is you say the next word together immediately. So if you say, for example, Adaya Drutamata Vasukim Varatram, you leave a gap, it will stretch it as keen. But you put a plus, then you say the word Varatram immediately, right? So Adhaya Drutamata Vasukim Varatram Pathodhau Drutvinihita Sarva Bija Jale.
आदाय धृतमत वासु किंवरत्राम पातोदौ विनिहित सर्वबीजजाले आदाय धृतमत वासु किंवरत्राम पातोदौ विनिहित सर्वबीजजाले
आदाय धृतमत वासुकिंवरत्राम पादोदौ विनिहित सर्वबीज जाले आदाय धृतमत वासुकिंवरत्राम पादोदौ विनिहित सर्वबीज जाले.
Prarabdhe Mathana Vidhau. So Mathana Vidhau Sura Suraistaihi. So next to the Sanskrit, the ir irukum Vyajatvantuk mela. So you can remove that ir off and make it as Sura Suraistaihi. Taihi Sura Suraihi by the Asuras and the Devas. Sura Suraistaihi. Next line Vyajat Tvam. So there's two in there, right? So it's Vyajat Tvam. Vyajat Tvam. Bhujaga Mukhe Karo Surarin. Okay, it's Bhujaga Mukhe Akaro Surarin. But the change the particular Bhujaga Mukhe Karo Surarin. Okay, so you can say that entire word together. So prarabdhe matana vidau surasuraistaihi, comma, vyajatvam bhujaga mukhe karo surari. Prarabdhe matana vidau surasuraistaihi, vyajatvam bhujaga mukhe karo surari.
प्रारब्धे मदनविधौ सुरासुरै मतनविधौ प्रारब्धे मतनविधौ सुरासुरैस्तैः व्याजात्वं भुजगमुखे करोऽसुरारीन् प्रारब्धे मतनविधौ सुरासुरैस्तैः व्याजात्वं भुजगमुखे करोऽसुरारीन्
प्रारब्धे मदनविधौ सुरैस्तैः व्याजात्वं भुजगमुखैकरो सुरारीन्.
Mind la vandu bhujaga mukhe. Bhujaga mukhe, the face of the snake.
Bhujagamukhe karo surarin. Prarabde madanavidhau suraistaihi. Vyajatvam bhujagamukhe karo surarin.
Bhujagamukhe.
Vyajatvam bhujagamukhe karo surarin.
So any times in the th and the are coming together in a single word, like matana vidhau, and the just be careful, right? You might just accidentally end up mixing it.
Bhujagamukhe karo. Okay.
Stanza 6. Kshubdhadrau kshubitha jalodare tadhanim dugdhabdau gurutara bharato nimagne deveshu vyatitatameshu tatprihaishi pranaishi khamatatanhum kathora prishta. So now this happens and then they start the churning. Tadanim, then Kshubdha, so the mountain is now being used as a churning rod. So Shubita Jale Udare, so the Jalam is now getting all mixed, right? Because they are now coming to churn. So the water is now fully stirred in the Dugdha Abdav, in the milky ocean. The water is now completely getting stirred. But Gurutara Bharataha, so because the mountain, right, is so heavy, because of it being heavy, what does it? Nimagnam, it sinks under, it goes below, right, than where it is supposed to be for churning purposes. So the Deveshu, the Devas, Veditatam Eshu, they became very worried because now the churning has stopped, because they're not able to do it anymore because of the weight. The mountain is now continuing to go down. So Tat Priyeshi. So here Bhattacharya says, so you, right, who wished well for them. So you are their well-wisher, right? So you are the Devas well-wisher. So Tat Priyeshi, you are the well-wisher. So Praneshihi, so you did take the prana, you did take the form, right? Prana refers to form. You did take the form, or you did assume the form of Kamatathanum. Kamatam is a tortoise, right? So you just say Kamatathanum, you did assume the form of a tortoise to help the Devas because you are Tat Priyeshi. With Kathora Prishtam, with a back which is very strong, right? Prishtam is the back, Kathoram is hard. Right, so Kathora Prishtam is a tortoise which has got a very hard back. So when they start churning, the mountain gets heavy and then it starts sinking. The water is getting mixed, but it starts sinking under. So because of which the churning stops, so Devas get very disappointed. So this is the actual Kurma Avataram, right? So here is where the Lord now takes the form of a tortoise, Kamatatanum, with a very hard back. So in the words in the konjam careful because ksha is the KSH, right? Ksha. So kshubdha draw, shubitha jalodhare thadani. Okay, so break it that way. Kshubdha draw, shubitha jalodhare thadani, comma. Dugdhabdau Gurutara Bharato Nimagne. Okay, so Kshubdhadrau Kshubithaja Lodhare Tadhanim Dugdhabdau Gurutara Bharato Nimagne.
क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे ददानीं तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने क्षुभितज
Shubhita Jalodare.
Oh, sorry. क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभित जा पकड़ले कमा
Jala Udare.
जलोदरे
So Jalodare.
correct. Okay. क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने. Thank you.
क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने.
Deveshu Kutishu, not shu. Don't say Deveshu. Deveshu Vyatithatameshu. Vyatithatameshu. Vyatithatameshu Tat Priyaishi, comma Pranaishi and the ka, so put a ik in between. So Pranaishi Kamatatanum Katora Prishtam. So Deveshu Vyatitatameshu Tat Prihaishi Pranaishi Kamatatanum Katora Prishtam.
देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषि प्राणैषि कमटतनुं कठोरपृष्ठां. देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषि प्राणैषि कमटतनुं कठोरपृष्ठां.
देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषि प्राणैषि कमटतनुं कठोरपृष्ठां. देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषि प्राणैषि कमटतनुं कठोरपृष्ठां. पृष्ठां. Okay. Pृष्ठां. Okay.
So next one describes the Kurmavataram, the tortoise, in more detail. Vajrate stiratara karparena Vishnu vistarat parigata lakshayo janena ambode kuharagatena vashmanatvam nirmagnam kshitidharanatam unnineta. He says, oh Vishnu, right, oh Lord. So in this tvam, you, right, your varshmana, your body. So here it describes how the body of the Lord is, the tortoise. So vajrati stiratara karparena, right? So he said the back was stronger than Vajra. What is Vajra? Vajra is Indra's thunderbolt, right? The weapon that Indra has, or the thunderbolt of Indra, which is made from the bones of sage Dadichi. That's what the Vajra was made out of. He says, your back, Vajra ati stiratara karparena, which is even harder than the thunderbolt of Indra, Vajra. That's how strong the back was. Vistarat, how Vistaram was it? How wide? What was the extent of the width of the thing? Laksha Yojanena. So 1 yojana is approximately like 8 miles. So Laksha Yojanena is a general indication, like lakhs and lakhs of miles wide, right? That's how wide the size of the back of the tortoise was. So with this body of yours, Unnineta, you did lift up, right? What? Kshitidharanatham. The Kshiti is the which is Dharanatham, which had gone under, the mountain which had actually gone under, which had sunk in the sea. You did lift it up, right? And then, yeah, Kshitidharanatham, Nirmagnam, Ambode Kuharagatan, which had gone deep into the ocean. So essentially, the mountain which had gone deep, he describes the shape of the form of the Lord here as tortoise. He says, your back is harder than Indra's Vajra, and the width or the extent of the body was Laksha Yojanena, was lakhs and lakhs of yojanas. and then with that you did go under, and the mountain which had sunk, you then lifted it up on your back, so the churning can continue. So so Vajrati Sthirathara Karparena Vishnu. So Vajrati Sthirathara Karparena Vishnu, comma, Vistarat Parigata Laksha Yojanena. Okay, so you can break it in those forms. So Vajrati Sthirathara Karparena Vishnu, Vistarat Parigata Laksha Yojanena. Vajrati Sthirathara Karparena Vishnu, Vistarat Parigata Laksha Yojanena.
Vajradi Stiratara Karparena Vishnu Vistarat Parigata Lakshayo Janena. Vajradi Stiratara Karparena Vishnu Vistarat Parigata Lakshayo Janena.
Vajrati Stiratara Karparena Vishnu Vistarat Parigata Lakshayo Janena. Vajrati Stiratara Karparena Vishnu Vistarat Parigata Lakshayo Janena.
Yeah, again the Vajrati, because it's a small T, so remember to say Stiratara immediately. So Vajrati Stira, so you just go down a little bit. Vajrati Stiratara, okay. Next line. Ambode, ik, because it's Ambodehe and Kuhara Gatena. So Ambode Kuhara Gatena Vashmanatvam Nirmagnam Kshitidhara Natham Unnineda. Okay. Nirmagnam Kshitidhara Natham Unnineta. Ambode Kuharagathena Vashmanatvam Nirmagnam Kshitidhara Natham Unnineta.
Ambote Kuhara Gatena
Ambode.
De 3. Ambode Guhara Gatena Vashmanatvam Nirmagnam Kshitidaranam Unnineta.
Kshitidharanatham Unnineta.
Kshitidaranatham Unnineta. Tham, sorry. Ambode Guhara Gatena Vashmanatvam Nirmagnam Kshitidaranam Nirmagnam Kshitidaranam Nineta. Ambode Guhara Gatena Vashmanatvam Nirmagnam Kshitidaranatham Unnineta.
Right.
Ambode Guhara Gatena Vashmanatvam Nirmagnam Kshitidaranatham Munnite.
Kshitidharanatham. Okay.
Kshitidaranatham.
Unnineta. Unnineta.
Unnineta.
There are 3 nas. Or kutti in, and then one na, then another na for the knee. So unnineta.
Unnineta. Okay. Nirmagnam Kshitidaranatham Unnineta. இல்ல ஒரு மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Correct.
Okay. Ambode Guhara Gatena Vashma. Kuhara.
Yeah.
Ka. Okay. Ambode Kuhara Gatena Vashmanatvam Nirmagnam Kshitidaranatham Unnineta.
Correct. 8. Unmagne Jatiti Thadhadhara Dharendre Nirmeturdridamiha Sammadhena Sarve Avishya Dvitaya Ghanepi Sarparaje Vaivashyam Parishamayan Abhivridastan. So now the mountain has come back up, right? So here So Jatiti, in this case, Unmagne, when it comes up, then Dara Dharendra, when it comes up, and the mountain comes up there, Sarve, everybody who was there, Sammadena, they were all very happy and they were all very pleased because now the mountain has come back up. So Jatiti Thada, so then instantly, then immediately when that happened, right, what happened? What did they do? Nirmetu Dridam, with full energy and with full speed, they started beginning the churning because now it has come back up and they're all very excited, they're all very happy, and they start the churning process. So at that time, what the Lord does is Avishya. So it says the Lord now enters, right? Avishya enters into Dvitiya Ghane, both the Ganas, both the Asuras and the Devas, right? So it enters into Dvitiya Ghane, into the bodies of the Asuras and the Devas, Api Sarparaje, as well as the body of the Sarparaja, which is Vasuki. So the Lord enters into the body of the Devas, the Asuras, and the Vasuki, right? For what? So Avi Vridahatan, so to strengthen them, right? Because they are all tired from all this churning, right? So the Lord enters into the body and strengthens them. Parishamayan, so removes the Vaivashyam, the fatigue, that the lack of energy that they had. So Lord enters into the body and removes their fatigue because they are all now excited and they now begin the churning, and that continues. So Unmagne Jatiti Tada Dhara Dharendre. So Tada Dhara Dharendre, comma, Nirmethur Dridam Iha Sammadhena Sarve. So Nirmethur Dridam Iha Sammadhena Sarve. Okay. So Unmagne Jatiti Thadha Dharha Dharendre Nirmethur Dridam Iha Sammadhena Sarve.
Dharendra irundhude nodla. So
Dara Dharendra. Indre. Dara Indre. So the
okay, I corrected. Unmagne Jatiti Dada Dharadharendre Nirmetur Dridamiha Sammadena Sarve. Unmagne Jatiti Dada Dharadharendre
Tada. Jatiti Tada.
Jatiti Tada. Unmagne Jatiti Tada Dharadharendre Nirmetur Dridamiha Sammadena Sarve.
Unmagne Jatiti Tada Dharendra Nirmetur Dridamiha Sammadhena Sarve. Unmagne Jatiti Tada Dharendra Nirmetur Dridamiha Sammadhena Sarve.
Right. Avishya Dvitaya Ghane pi Sarparaje. So Dvitaya Ghane api Sarparaje. When you're saying it together, you can say Dvitaya Ghane pi Sarparaje, comma, Vaivashyam Parishamayan Avi Vridasthan. Okay, Parishamayan Avi Vridasthan. So Charadhathil on the Sanskrit on the import or a na potrpa. That's because you're writing the word together, and like we said, in most cases it ends with the in and then the next word starts with the a. Okay, so it's similarly in this case Vaivashyam Parishamayan. Parishamayan is removing it. Avi Vridasthan. Avi Vridaha is to strengthen it. So Vaivashyam Parishamayan Avi Vridasthan. Okay. So Avishya Dvitaya Ghane pi Sarparaje Vaivashyam Parishamayan Avi Vridasthan.
Avishya Dvitaya Ganepi Sarparaje Vaivashyam Parishamayan Avivridastan. Avishya Dvitaya Ganepi Sarparaje Vaivashyam Parishamayan Avivridastan.
Avishya Dvitaya Ganepi Sarparaje Vaivashyam Parishamayan Avivridastan. Avishya Dvitayagne. Okay. Avishya Dvitayagne ganepi sarparaje.
Ganepi. Dvitaya gane. Ganas. Both the ganas. Dvitaya.
Okay. Avishya dvitaya ganepi sarparaje vaivashyam parishamayan avivridasthana.
Right. Stanza 9. Uddhama brahmanajavo namadgirindran yastaikasthiratara hasta pankajam tvam abhrante vidigirishadayah pramodhat udbhrantanunuvurupata pushpavarshaha. So now when it all comes up, everybody is happy and they are beginning the churning, right? So Uddhama in a powerful manner, right? Now they're all energized and with full power they are doing. So Brahmana Java in the speed at which they are actually burling the mountain with the Vasuki. So Girindra, the mountain, right? So Unnamat, right? It's not beginning to rise because when you start spinning it with full force, anything, it starts rising up, right? That's the physics law. So the full speed, they're all churning it. And because of that, the Girindra, the mountain is Unnamat. It's actually rising up. So what the Lord does is Tvam, you placed what? Eka hasta pankajam shiratara. So pankajam, so hasta pankajam is a lotus hand, right? Hasta pankajam, with your lotus hand, eka, one, stiratara, on its top, right? So when the mountain starts coming up, you put your one eka hasta pankajam, one lotus hand of yours, stirataram, firmly on it. Right? Stirama, you placed it firmly on it. Right? So that's what the Lord does. So now when this comes, he places his hand with stiram, with full firmly on top of the mountains. So Abhrante, so when this happens, so Vidhi Girisha Adayaha. So Vidhi here refers to Brahma. Girisha is of course Lord Shiva, and then Adayaha, all the other gods. So all of them, right? They're all now overwhelmed with joy because the Lord came to the rescue. And Nunuvuhu, they praised you with Pushpa Varshaha, by showering with flowers when this happened. So the mountain comes up, everybody is energized, they are now doing it very fast. Because of that spinning, the mountain comes up, the Lord places his hand on it. So that's why in the rendu line in Cholranaka, the mountain is coming up with full force. So to prevent it, you kept your lotus hand on top. And that's why the first two lines are joined in this case. That's what the first two lines are referring to. So we'll break it, but you have to say both first and the second line together in this case. We'll break it as Uddhama Brahmana Javonna Mad Girindra. So Javonna Mad Girindra, right? Put a plus there. Girindran, sorry, Mad Girindran, put a in, and then you can, next word you start with Yastai Kastira. So Javonna Mad Girindran Yastai Kastirathara Hasta Pankajam Twam. So Hasta Pankajam Twam Yastai Kastirathara. Stirathara. You can put the word Stirathara as one word. So Uddhama Brahmana Javonna Madgirindran Yastai Kastira. Yastai Kastira change the padikam. Yastai Kastirathara. But you say it together, it will be Estai Kastirathara. But you want to break it, you say Estai Kastirathara, firmly, Hasta Pankajam Twam. Okay, that's how you can potentially break it, but you have to say it together. I'm just breaking it for ease of chanting it, right? So, Uddhama Brahmana Javonna Madgirindran Yastai Kastirathara Hasta Pankajam Twam.
Uddhama Pramana Javonna Madgirindran Yastaigastiradara Hasta Pankajam Tvam. Uddhama Pramana Javonna Madgirindran Yastaigastiradara Hasta Pankajam Tvam.
Uddhama Brahmana Javonna Madgirindran Yastaikastiratara Hasta Pankajam Tvam. Uddhama Brahmana Javonna Madgirindran Yastaikastiratara Hasta Pankajam Tvam.
Next line, Abhrante Vidhi Giri Shadaya Pramodhat. Make it Pramodhat. Next line, Udbranta. Next line will be Udbranta Nunuvuru Patha Pushpa Varshaha. Okay, so Abhrante Vidigiri Shadaya Pramodhat Udbranta Nunuvuru Patha Pushpa Varshaha. So Abhrante Vidigiri Shadaya Pramodhat Udbranta Nunuvuru Patha Pushpa Varshaha.
Abhrante Vidigirishadaya Pramodat Utpranda Nunuvurupata Pushpavarshaha. Abhrante Vidigirishadaya Pramodat Utpranda Nunuvurupata Pushpavarshaha.
Abhrante Vidigirishadaya Pramodat Udbhranta Nunurpada Pushpa Varsha Partha Pushpa Varshaha. Abhrante Vidigirishadaya Pramodhat Udbhranta Nunurupad Pada Pushpa Varshaha.
ரெண்டு தா இருக்கு, ஒரு இத் இருக்கு, ஒரு தா இருக்கு. So Patha Varshaha.
Okay. Udbranta Nunurupata Pushpa Varshaha.
Right. So stanza 10, this has got 11 stanzas. 10th stanza. Daityoge Bujaga Mukhani Lena Tapte Tenai Batrudashakule Pikinchidharte Karunya Tabakila Deva Vari Baha Pravarshan Amaraghanan Daitya Sanghan. So now it's all spinning very fast, right? The Lord keeps his hand so that it stays firmly so they can continue to spin it. So Daityoge, now the Asuras, right? When this happens, of course, like we said earlier, right? The snake at this Vasuki at this time, because of the heat, it starts emitting poisonous fumes from its mouth, right? So the Daityoge, when the Asuras, Bujaga, snake, Mukhani Lena Tapte. So tapati is heat, right? So Mukhani Lena Tapte, from its mukam, from its mouth, from its face, the fumes that are coming, they are now tormented by the heat that is actually coming from the fumes from the mouth of the snake, Vasuki. So, Thena Eva, in the same breath, in the same way, just like how the Asuras are now getting affected, right? Tridasha Kule Api, the Devas also, they are also getting affected by the snake, of course to a lesser extent because they are on the tail side of it, but the Devas are also getting affected. Tridasha Kule Api, Kinchidarte, Konjam, they are troubled a little, not as much as the Asura. So Kinchidarte, they are troubled by little. So Karunya Tavakila. So you are a person of high compassion, right? Because the Devas came to you and then you are adored by the Devas. So Karunya, because of the Karunyam, because of the compassion. So Vari Vaha are the clouds, right? So because of the compassion, Vari Vaha Pravarshan Amaraganan, on the Devas, Amaraganan, Pravarshan, you made the clouds rain. So there was rain that fell on the Devas, right? Na Daitya Sangan, not on the Asuras, right? So the rain now, so because of your compassion for the Devas, because out of respect, you generate rain to form, and the rain falls on the Devas, although they are only tormented, Kinchidarte, they are only tormented a little, the rain falls on them, so they are protected, and the Asuras now are getting affected with this. So, Daityoghe Bujaga Mukhani Lena Tapte. So, Bujaga is a snake. Bujaga Mukhani Lena Tapte, comma. Thenaiva Tridasha Kulepi Kinchidarte. Okay, so no changes to that. So, Daityoghe Bujaga Mukhani Lena Tapte. Tenaiva Tridasha Kulepi Kinchidarte.
दैत्यौके भुजगमुखानिलेन तप्ते तेनैव त्रिदशकुलेऽपि किञ्चिदार्ते दैत्यौके दैत्यौके भुजगमुखानिलेन तप्ते तेनैव त्रिदशकुलेऽपि किञ्चिदार्ते
दैत्यौगे भुजगमुखानिलेन तप्ते तेनैव त्रिदशकुलेऽपि किञ्चिदार्ते दैत्यौगे भुजगमुखानिलेन तप्ते तेनैव त्रिदशकुलेऽपि किञ्चिदार्ते.
காருண்யாத் தவ. So ரெண்டு இத்திற்கு ஒரு தா இருக்கு. So காருண்யாத் தவ கில தேவ வாரி வாஹாஹா காமா பிராவர்ஷன். Okay, பிராவர்ஷன் அமரகணான். So பிராவர்ஷன் அமரகணான் na दैत्य संघान. So प्रावर्षन अमरगणान दैत्य संघान. कारुण्या तव किल देव वारिवाहाः प्रावर्षन अमरगणान दैत्य संघान.
कारुण्या तव किल देव वारिवाहाः प्रावर्षन् अमरगणान् दैत्यसङ्गान्. कारुण्या तव किल देव वारिवाहाः प्रावर्षन् अमरगणान् दैत्यसङ्गान्.
कारुण्या तव किल देव वारिवाहाः प्रावर्षन् अमरगणान्
प्रावर्षन्
प्रावर्षन् अमरगणान् दैत्यसङ्घान्. दैत्यसङ्घान्. कारुण्यात् तव किल देव वारिवाहाः प्रावर्षन् अमरगणान् दैत्यसङ्घान्.
ராஜேஷ், அந்த லாஸ்ட் லைன் அந்த பிராவர்ஷன் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது பிராவர்ஷன் ஒரு half n ஒரு full n இல்லையா?
அங்க ரெண்டு, ஆமா, ஒரு in and na போட்டிருக்கா. So பிராவர்ஷன் in line plus amaraganan. When you put in plus amaraganan in the next word and sandhi pannenaka, it becomes in and na. Okay, so the actual word is pravarshan amaraganan, but when you write it together with the sandhi, it becomes an in and a na in Sanskrit.
Okay,
that's why it should say pravarshan namaraganan. Actually it should be pravarshan namaraganan.
அப்படிதான் போட்டுருக்கான். Okay,
when you break it, it becomes pravarshan plus amaraganan.
Okay,
yeah, it is just a sandhi. When you write it as in and a na.
Okay,
actually it's two different words, pravarshan amaraganan. So 11th one, udbhamyat bahuti minakra chakravale tatrabdau chiramatithe nirvikare ekastvam karayuga krishta sarparajah samrajan pavana puresha pahiroghat. So in the chapter ends here, right, in 27th, but actually in the 28th chapter and 29th chapter are also the continuation of what happens, right? Because when the churning of the ocean happens, right, lot of things come up, right? So this chapter ends with some initial things which came up, and it will also say that the nectar did not come, because all of that comes in the next chapter. So next chapter Lakshmi Devi will come with the amrutam, right? So all of that happens in the next chapter, 28th chapter. And 29th chapter is the Mohini Avataram that happens, right? So we won't be covering that in this session. We're going to stop at 27 and move on. So in the 27th chapter, in this last Ennarthnaka, Udbhamyat. So when all this happens, certain things start coming up. What starts coming up? Bahu, many things start coming up, right? So Timingilam, right? So Timi is fish. Timi refers to fish here. Nakra, Nakra is crocodile. Chakravale is innumerable other aquatic animals, right? Everything starts coming up because the water is churning, right? The mountain is churning, the ocean, lot of these things start coming up. So Tara Abdav from that thing. 1 second, guys, I'm going to close the door. Screaming. So from that ocean, from Tara Abdav, from that ocean, many of these things start coming out. Fish starts coming, crocodile, and many other aquatic creatures start coming. Chiramati Chiram, for a really long time. They're churning this for a really long time, right? Nirvikara, it remains unchanged. The same thing continues to happen, right? So then Ekahatvam. So now everybody gets tired. So Ekahatvam. So it is you alone, O Lord, right? Kara Yuga, with both your hands, with your karam, right? With both your hands, Kara Yugam, Krishna Sarparajaha. So the Sarparaja, Vasuki, both ends. So it is you alone now, because they keep churning and nothing is coming out. So you alone now start churning the Vasuki, right? Of the serpent king of the thing. So he says, so Samrajan, oh, you're absolutely brilliant. You shine brilliantly because you alone did this. Pavana Puresha, oh Lord of Guruvayur, Pahi Rogat, cure me or save me from all the ailments. So that's how this chapter ends, right? So they keep churning for a long time. All these other things come, but the nectar doesn't come yet because that comes in the next dasakam. So the first line, Udbhramyat Bahuthimi. Actually, you should say that together. So Udbhramyat Bahuthimi Nakra Chakravale. Okay, you say that whole thing together, but I'm breaking it. Udbhramyat Bahuthimi Nakra Chakravale, comma Tatrabdhau Chiramatitepi Nirvikare. Udbhramyat Bahutimi Nakra Chakravale Tatrabdhau Chiramatitepi Nirvikare.
Udbhramyat Bahutimi Nakra Chakravale, Udbhramyat Bahutimi Nakra Chakravale, Dadrabdau Chiramati Tepi Nirvikare. Udbhramyat Bahutimi Nakra Chakravale, Tatrabdau Chiramati Tepi Nirvikare.
Udbhramyat Bahutimi Nakra Chakravale, Tatrabdau Chiramiti Tepi Nirvikare.
Chiram Atitepi.
Chiram Atitepi Nirvikare. Chiramati Nirvikare. Okay, va?
Correct.
Udbhramyat Bahutimi Nakra Chakravale, Tatrabdau Chiramati Nirvikare.
Right. Ekastvam Karayuga Krishta Sarparajaha Samrajan Pavana Puresha Pahirogat. So Karayuga Krishta Sarparajaha, comma Samrajan Pavana Puresha Pahirogat. Ekastvam Karayuga Krishta Sarparajaha Samrajan Pavana Puresha Pahirogat.
Ekastvam Karayuga Krishna Sarparajaha Samrajan Pavana Puresha Pahirogat. Ekastvam Karayuga Krishna Sarparajaha Samrajan Pavana Puresha Pahirogat.
Ekastvam Karayuga Krishna Sarparajaha Samrajan Pavana Puresha Pahirogat. Ekastvam Karayuga Krishna Sarparajaha Samrajan Pavana Puresha Pahirogat.
Shri Krishna Parabrahmane. So that completes chapter 27. So in the end, we finished 10 chapters. We are halfway through the 20 that we wanted to cover in the first batch, right? So next week, what we'll do is, I don't know how many, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I know 2 people did not show up today. So maybe we are 11 of us, right? So 10 chapters pannirkom. So I think everybody should probably pick one chapter, right? We want to make sure that we cover all the 10 chapters, and whoever is the last person, whoever wants to do it, can pick any of the chapters they want. So next class, what we'll do is we'll just take turns, right? We'll go off mute. So whoever picks the first chapter will go first. Everybody be on mute, and that person says the first chapter, and the second person goes on, right? Unmute yourself. So you guys can pick amongst yourself either way, right? First come first basis or whatever preference basis. But let's make sure we cover all the 10 chapters, one person per chapter. And then time let's have a couple of people who want to go a second time on other chapters that they want to chat. We'll put it as a backup depending on how much time it takes, right? But I'm hoping that ellarum practice panni continuously we can say that for 10 chapters, and then we'll maybe do a few chapters extra times.
So next week only review dana.
Next week only review. Okay, we'll finish the 10 and then we'll go to the next 10, because next 10 vandu konjam the Krishna avataram, Rama avataram, Parashuram avataram na varapo. Those will all get little bit tough also. So let's make sure these first 10 are like we are all crisp on that.
Hey, ippe pick பண்ணிடலாமா? எல்லாரும் கால்ல இருக்கோம்.
ரொம்ப அவசரப்படாத, கொஞ்சம்
ஓகே சரி, ஓகே அப்புறம் டிசைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
All right, so we'll say Sandranandava and then Sandranandava Kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punaruru purusharthatmakam brahmadattvam tattabhadbhadi sakshat guru pavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam kahena vacha manasendrihirva buddhyatmana va prakrite swabhavat karomi yatyat sakalam parasmai narayanahyeti samarthayami. Okay, everybody. So we'll finish it here.
Thanks, Rajesh. Yeah.
Next class we'll do the rehearsal. Okay.
Thanks, Rajesh. Bye.
Thank you.